Yolk eggs from Purdys Chocolatier start with a syrup made from sugar, cream, and butter, cooked to just the right temperature. The syrup is poured into the cream beaters, which churn it up into a doughy texture. Our candy makers layer the cream by hand, a yellow layer between two white layers. This mix is extruded through an egg-shaped die and then travels down the belt and under the 100% sustainable milk chocolate waterfall. Then the eggs are cooled and packed to head for your Easter baskets. Happy Easter from Purdys Chocolatier.